Hi guys, welcome again at my channel. This time we will make a tutorial video about facepacks. We will create a specific portrait picture which we will use in Football Manager. I will use the DF11 template for it to show you how to make a facepack and an input set it to Football Manager. Okay, let's start. All you need is the DF11 template, then internet connection to be able to search images, and of course Football Manager. How to do a facepack? It's really simple. You need a portrait picture or any picture you want. For the DF11 you should make it according the preset values, and that's that the picture is a portrait picture and it looks or it should look like this. That means the brand logo should be appearing slightly here and the club logo slightly here. It should be centered into the template itself, and as said, should be a portrait picture. Okay, now as you maybe already know, we have issues about legality. That means every picture is, or everything related to a club is their right or belongs to them. Therefore you have the possibility to search in Google non-commercial pictures which you can use for your work. That's really good, but you will find really bad pictures, I must say. Therefore, if you want to make it legally, you should switch this option labeled for non-commercial reuse with modification, and then search images. As you can see, I already searched for Messi, and we will show the steps with his picture. Okay, I take this one because portrait picture would be hard to find. Okay, easily drag and drop into the DF11 template, set it here with the clipping mask, set, switch off the previous picture. Now Ctrl T as transform. You should have set on this chain to maintain the aspect ratio, and then set the percentual scale to fit good into the template. I do it with the mouse scroll. When you go down it decreases, when you go up it will increase the percentual size. If you hold shift then it goes with 10 degrees up or down. Okay, now we could say that this is a good value for this picture. I hit OK or enter and we have already a picture in the template which we could say would be fine for Football Manager. What we need to do now is to save it. That means Ctrl Shift S. I will save it at my pictures, or I make a new folder called test, and into it I save this picture as a PNG file and call it Messi. Now okay, what should I do next? I have to make a config file, and how do I do it? It's really easy. You need software, it's called FMXML. It's really easy to use. I have it on my site. You can download it from the tools. My site is fmslovakia.com, if nobody knows. When you install the fmxml, you open it and then you make a config file. First of all, you need to set the path. That means I now must go to the folder where I saved the picture. FM add-ons, pictures, test, hit OK. There's the path. What should I do? What's the action? Make a config file. For which object? Faces. And now you have two possibilities. If you save your PNG files as IDs, then you mark this, all file names are IDs, and you press go. If it isn't so, and you called it as an title or anything else, you have to proceed it normally. That means the software will ask you which ID is for the picture, but we will do it with IDs. That's really faster. Therefore, you need to go to Football Manager and search for Messi. Oh, sorry, double S. Messi Lionel, without picture, 31 years old. His ID is 7458500. Now what I need to do, I need to go to my folder, test, and rename the file to 7458500. Enter. Now I go back to the fmxml, hit all file names are IDs, and press the go button. One XML file is made. Now I close it. Okay. Open the config XML, and this is a preset text which you don't change in any way, and what the software made is only this record. That means record from the file name, in this case the Messi picture, to graphic pictures, person, his ID, and a portrait picture. Now we have to test it. Sorry, I am a bit ill now. Okay, what we need to do, we copy with Ctrl+C the whole folder, go to Documents, Sports Interactive, Football Manager, Graphics, and put it here. Or if you want, you can put it into Photos, and then you will have it there. Now we need to reload the skin. Go to Options, Preferences, Advanced, to Interface, scroll down to Skins, and here you have to change the skin to another skin and reload it again. First of all, but you need to switch off the caching, hit the reload skin confirming changes in preferences, and this is the option that you can see the IDs in the profile screen or in the title bar of the skin. That must be switched on, that you see the IDs there. Okay, now I change it to the light version of Football Manager and hit confirm. Now the skin will change, and it will load all images again to the game. And now we should see the Messi picture and his profile. When I hit Messi, you can see his picture. When I go to attributes, you can see also the FC Barcelona Messi picture, the picture will show everywhere in the in Football Manager where the picture should be visible. And that's all what you need to do. Thanks for watching. If you like our job, please hit subscribe, share our video, and we would be like if you comment it also. Thank you. Bye.